Boys, what is good? What is good? I did not post yesterday because there wasn't much going on yesterday, but I will catch you guys up to speed. Okay, this is the trade I literally just took off market open, right? What am I seeing? How am I taking this trade, right? I'm seeing when market opens, we pump up. Okay, I was looking for shorts at this point, and then we dump, and then we immediately reject back up, okay? So at this point, right, I'm seeing this entire range here with the most obvious engineered liquidity, okay? This is a very clean vertical range for me, right? I don't want to trade a horizontal range that doesn't really have to get rebalanced, right? But these vertical ranges have to get rebalanced. Why? Because these vertical ranges create things like this, an unmitigated 5-minute gap that we're going to tap into if we're going to reject higher, right? So that would be my TP, which is also this first sell side, this first discounted sell side, right? So what am I waiting for? All I'm waiting for is just the CISD, right? On both. We get the CISD here on NASDAQ, and then we get the CISD here on ES, right? However, I don't like this. There's not, like, this isn't enough displacement for me. I want to see this structure point here get displaced through, so I'm counting this as my CISD. We finally do it, and then I take entry here. I usually take entry at minimum at the retrace of the body of the CISD, but the reason I did this was because it was still a 1-to-1, right? So usually I'll take it all the way up here, but I knew price probably wouldn't go back up there since we already retraced in here and then we displaced, right? We'd probably just retrace into this mini move here and then go lower. So I actually top ticked entry, which is pretty nice. But yeah, I chose this one because it was still 1-to-1 with my TP. We take my entry, and then we leave this swing low here, right? If price is truly bearish, we're going to either close below this swing low, or we are going to displace straight through it. If price wicks this out and goes up, I know where price is going. It is going to these highs right here, right? That looks like a buy model. This literally looks like a buy model if we wick this out. So once this swing low gets taken, I'm break even instantly, okay? Which is perfect, right? Especially in these bullish markets, right? Price doesn't want to retrace. I'm not really sure why. But yeah, this is just, we've just been going up forever. Yeah, really good break even point for me. It's very easy to see this too. And one of my guys in the Discord, Charlie, he actually took a very similar trade. He took it off an inversion, but he also went break even at this point too, because he also understands this is a swing low in the market that if we wick out this swing low, it's very sus. It's way too sus for me, and it's way too sus for my boy Charlie. So great break even point, great trade. This is it. When I look at this trade at this point from the shift, this is exactly how I want my trades to look, right? So now I'm just waiting for an entry. I get my entry, go break even in the reverse, right? So I'm very happy with today. And then yesterday I actually took another break even. I've actually taken 3 break evens. So I took this break even in Asia, I think. Very clean vertical range, right? That needs to get rebalanced if we want to continue higher on the day. We see ISD up here, but that's not enough. We put in the swing low, we shift below that. It's still not enough for me. I kind of just want to see us like really show me, because there wasn't like a whole lot of structure on this. CISD displaced through the swing low. We come back up, create some of these. We create a little bit of structure here, and then we displace through it. Take entry on the retest. Stop loss at the high, break even at 0.5, got break even. That one ran to TP after break even me. And then this one, this was yesterday. No, yeah, this was in Asia. This was also in Asia. This was Sunday night. We opened up a massive new week opening gap, right? We CISD here. I wanted this structure point up here. I wanted this CISD to get closed above, which we did. And then we edged my break-even point, the IV. And then we tap back down into it, get entry, and then we go up higher. We went break-even. The reason why I went break-even here is because this is the start of the new week opening gap, right? And if you know anything about new week opening gaps, especially big ones, you know, they don't get filled instantly, right? So there's a very, very, very high likely chance, and I said this before this trade happened while I was trading it, which is why I went break even, is if we're going to tap into this new week opening gap in reverse, I don't want to be in the trade, because we most likely will go down and then build some more bullshit to go higher, right? Which is exactly what we did. We did this and then we went higher. I'd rather just see price flush. So yeah, I'm really happy with my break evens this week, and just overall my trades this week. It's been a little slow because I've had 3 break evens, but yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Hopefully, I get a trade in Asia today, man. It's been a little slow, but yeah, peace.